in the meticulous world of pharmaceutical manufacturing, ensuring the safety, efficacy, and purity of every product is paramount. This is where pharmaceutical quality control takes center stage. It's not just a series of tests, it's a comprehensive system of processes and procedures designed to guarantee that every medicine reaching patients meets stringent quality standards. Understanding the principles and practices of robust quality control is fundamental to maintaining patient trust and regulatory compliance in this vital industry. Why is quality control so critical in pharmaceutical production? The answer is simple: patient health. Pharmaceutical products directly impact well-being, and any deviation from quality standards can have serious consequences. Quality control acts as a vigilant guardian, scrutinizing raw materials, in-process samples, and finished products to identify and prevent potential issues. This rigorous oversight ensures that every batch is consistent, potent, and free from harmful contaminants. It underpins the credibility of pharmaceutical companies and safeguards public health. A comprehensive pharmaceutical quality control system encompasses a wide range of activities. It begins with the meticulous testing of incoming raw materials and packaging components to verify their identity, purity, and quality. During the manufacturing process, in-process controls are implemented to monitor critical parameters and ensure adherence to established procedures. Finally, finished product testing involves a battery of analyses to confirm that the final medication meets all defined specifications for identity, strength, purity, and quality. Beyond testing, effective quality control also involves robust documentation practices. Detailed records of all tests, analyses, and deviations are meticulously maintained to provide a complete audit trail. This documentation is crucial for demonstrating compliance to regulatory authorities and for facilitating investigations in case of any quality issues. Furthermore, quality control departments are responsible for maintaining and calibrating sophisticated analytical equipment, ensuring the accuracy and reliability of test results. The benefits of a strong pharmaceutical quality control system are manifold. It directly protects patients by ensuring the quality and safety of medications. It builds trust with healthcare professionals and the public. It ensures compliance with stringent regulatory requirements, preventing costly recalls and legal repercussions. Moreover, it contributes to operational efficiency by identifying and addressing potential quality issues early in the manufacturing process, minimizing waste and maximizing yield. In an industry where precision and reliability are non-negotiable, pharmaceutical quality control is not just a function. It's the bedrock of responsible and ethical practice. Enjoyed the video? Want to stay up to date with the latest GMP insights and guidance? Then make sure to subscribe to our channel. We've got tons more helpful content coming your way. Hit that subscribe button and join the GMP Guide community.